How to add Instagram on Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Instagram to your Shopify store. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, head over to shopify.com and log into your account using your preferred Google login. Once you're in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. Now, from the admin panel, go to the search bar at the top and type Insta Feed. When it appears, click to open the app page. Tap the install button and give it a few seconds to complete. After that, you'll be taken to a page where you can connect your Instagram account. Click on the button that says Connect Instagram. It'll redirect you to Facebook, where you'll need to log in and give permission. Make sure to select the correct Instagram account and Facebook page that you want to link with your Shopify store. Once done, come back to the Shopify screen and confirm the connection. Now your Shopify store is successfully connected with your Instagram account. From here, you can tag products on Instagram, sync your catalog, and even set up Instagram shopping. That's all for the video.